Well, scales can be a bit of a chore for many people. So today, let's check out 2 approaches that will help you to play them more musically and have fun while doing it. Hi there, I'm Kylie. I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music. Join me each Thursday for new videos, and if you enjoy the content, then please subscribe, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, let's jump right into looking at scales. Let's look at them in patterns, and let's break apart the fingering so that we only have to worry about our first 3 fingers. Scale patterns are the 7 notes repeated and repeated, and usually for a common scale, we're looking at having groups of 3s and 4s all the way. But let's focus this first exercise on just groups of 3s. So first of all, we'll do the groups of 3 fingers. Then we're going to slip our thumb under. So we want to watch that we don't have any hiccups here with our wrist. So we want to just glide our thumb under after the 3rd finger each time. All the way up there. 1, 2, 3, all the way. Here we go. Then let's add the left hand, doing 3, 2, 1 and 3 over again. Now, keeping matching fingers between the hands, let's step it up and have our group of 3 in the left hand at the same time as our group of 3 in the right hand. So this is with the C notes sounding together. Then if we want to do a bit of a challenge, we can move onto these 6 and start the same patterns and with the same fingering there as well. Always 1, 2, 3s and then thumbs under and new groupings. Here we go. Now let's move it to 3rds apart, bring the hands close together, but it's still exactly the same fingering of 1, 2s and 3s in each hand. And just double check that your wrists are staying in as smooth a line as possible, even though we're putting our thumbs under. So down in 3rds then together, so we can start on this E and this C, still with our groups of 3s, and then a new group over. Here we go. If we count as we go, it'll be 8 groups of little 3s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's extend our fingering now into using our 1 to 4 in each hand. The same idea that we just did with our 3 fingers, but now we'll be pulsing into groups of 4s all the way up 4 octaves on the piano. Okay, then if we extend this into our groups of 4s, then we can go to our 4th finger each time and then to still be gliding our thumb under, next group of 4, thumb under, and so on. I need to start down here. So right hand, here we go. And left hand, same idea, starting with our 4 and then 4 over each time. together. Let's play them as sixths apart. We can then bring our fourth finger in our left hand up to create a sixth there with our E and our C to play together. Here we go. And just remember, if you find the sixth too hard, then just drop off and just do one hand and play along with me as we go. Let's play the thirds as well. Let's go with our groups of fours. So we've still got our fours, then the new group under. New group under in your right hand, new group over in your left hand. Thanks for joining me today. I create new videos every Thursday, so I'll catch you next week. Happy music making. Ta-da!